In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TradingView to a supported broker. If you're diving into the world of trading and want to streamline your operations using TradingView, you're in the right place. TradingView is a popular platform that not only provides advanced charting tools, but also allows you to trade directly through certain brokers such as Oanda, FXCM, Interactive Brokers, and more. However, before you start, ensure that your prop firm accounts are with brokers supported by TradingView or that your broker offers API access. This is crucial as it will enable a seamless integration and ensure that you can execute trades efficiently. Once you've confirmed that your broker is compatible with TradingView, the next step is to set up a trade copying system. If you are managing multiple accounts, such as multiple prop firm accounts, this system is essential. Trade copier software or services allow you to copy trades from a master account to multiple follower accounts simultaneously. Examples of these tools include MT4 or MT5 trade copiers, various signal providers or APIs. These are specifically designed to replicate trades executed on the master account and automatically implement them across your other accounts. This can significantly aid in managing multiple trades without having to manually input each one. To get started, set up a master account for trading. This is the account from which all your trades will originate. You can execute your trades manually, or if you prefer a more automated approach, use TradingView alerts linked directly to your master prop firm account. These alerts act as triggers that can be configured to send trade signals either through a webhook or via email, whatever suits your setup best. To take automation even further, connect these alerts to a trade automation bot or an API. This advanced step ensures that whenever an alert is generated, the bot or API is ready and waiting to place the trade on your master account efficiently. This method saves time and reduces the potential for manual errors. The final piece of this setup involves configuring your trade copier. The copier listens to the trades executed on the master account and seamlessly replicates them onto your follower prop firm accounts. It's important to verify that all follower accounts have the same instrument availability and are configured with compatible lot sizes. This compatibility check is vital to avoid any trade execution errors. Before you go live with real funds, always test the entire system thoroughly using demo accounts. Testing is crucial as it helps to ensure that trades are copied correctly and executed with minimal delay. This step is your opportunity to spot and rectify any issues, ensuring everything runs smoothly once you decide to trade live. By following these steps, you'll set yourself up for a more efficient and effective trading experience using TradingView in conjunction with your preferred brokers and trading software.